Hello students, exercise 9.1, question number 13. The question is, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Okay, let's start. First, draw the diagram of this question. So, one lighthouse and two ships. So, AB be the lighthouse, this 90 degree perpendicular line AB, and height is 75 meter high lighthouse. This is 75 meter. Height from the sea level, and the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So, and two ships, one ship is exactly behind the other. Suppose this is the one position of the ship C, and this is another position, that is other ship position is D. Two ships at C and at D. So, the angle of depression of two ships from the and observed from the top of a 5 meter high top, that means A point, from A point to C and from A to D, two ships, and so top to bottom, so angles are depression, so need parallel line BC parallel here. Imagine parallel line dotted. So A to C one angle, A to C, so angle is 30 degree. So depression, angle of depression, so with base, so this angle is 30, and these angles are equal, alternate angle, so this also 30. This A to C, and another one is A to D. A to D, this, and this is the angle of depression is 45 degree. Angle of depression, so this 45 and this angle, alternate angle, and this are equal, this also 45. Because of angle of depression, at first angle front at A point, A position with base. Now, two ships, one is at C and another one is at D, and find the distance between two ships. So CD distance you have to find, so let this distance be x meters, suppose this is x, and let BD be y meter, this is y. So let AB be the height, AB be the height of lighthouse, and at C and D are two ships position, and given AB equal to 75 meter, and let CD equal to X meter and BD equal to Y meter. Okay. Now we have two triangle here. One is ABD and another one is ABC. So first in ABD. So in right triangle ABD, so AB by BD, perpendicular by base, angle is 45, tan 45, and AB is 75 and BD is Y, tan 45 is 1. Cross multiply, Y equal to 75 meter, Y is 75. Now from another triangle. So in right triangle ABC, AB by BC, perpendicular by base, tan angle is 30 degree, tan 30, and AB is 75 and BC is X plus Y total base equal to tan 30 1 by root 3. Cross multiply, X plus Y is equal to 75 root 3. And already we got is 1, suppose Y equal to 75. So X plus 75 equal to 75 root 3. This is by 1. Y equal to 75. Now X equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. So 75 is common, root 3 minus 1. This is X meter. And X is the distance between two ships. And this is our question, find the distance between two ships. So that is CD, and CD equal to 75 into root 3 minus 1 meter. So therefore, hence the distance between the two ships equal to 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. This is the answer. Thank you.